Okay, this video is on how to save half-hour reports in a way that we can graph them in Excel. So the first thing before you actually save the half-hour report that's important to do is to go into back office and make sure that the clocked time and tips, that's what you're going to go to, make sure you don't have people clocked in that were really not working. So the half hour report is going to capture every person that was clocked in. So first step is just to clean that up. So if we want to run this report for yesterday, January 10th, that's going to be the half hour. The first thing we're going to do is look at who was clocked in. So kind of a fast way to clean this up is look for real long shift links. So here's, anytime you see Mark C, this guy, he doesn't work, so we don't want him on the report. So you highlight that and hit delete, and it's gonna not report me as being a worker on the half hour report. So you're generally going to look for anybody else that actually was not working as a driver, kitchen manager, whatever. And bear in mind, you can widen these columns here to see more detail about clock in and clock out times. If you have one specifically you just want to look at, you could hit edit, and this would be also where you would clean up the time if you needed to do that. Okay, after you do that, we're going to actually run the report. So to run the report, you're going to go to reports, half hour, and what we care about is yesterday the 10th. You can run this for several days, but it's going to lump everything into one total per half hour, and that's really not very helpful. So as a general rule, we just always run them for one single day. So I got the date fields in there, and I enter go. While we're waiting on this to come up, the big thing you got to do right is save it as a CSV file. If you don't save it as a CSV file, it's not usable. So you really got to do two things. Mark it as a CSV when it comes up when you go to save, and then secondly, find the path to Dropbox, which in and of itself can be hard. Also, always run this off your Office machine. I'm on the Columbus Office machine, but don't run it off the server because the server doesn't have Dropbox. Okay, the report came up. I'm going to hit the little save guy over here, and it populates this field. The first thing I'm going to do is mark it as a CSV file type that I want. So I have to kind of scroll down to see CSV, and there it is. You can also use this bar to move it. And now the file name, I always want to start off with the day of the week. So it was Tuesday, T-U-E, that was the day of this. And then I'm going to put 1-10-17, and I could say half hour, but the day and then the actual date is critical. You can put the HO after, it'll be fine. Now finding Dropbox. This is a lot of fun. If you can't find Dropbox, save it to the desktop and then go back in and cut and paste it to where it needs to go in Dropbox. So I know that Columbus Office is where Dropbox is, and I'm going to open up Dropbox. All right, the folder I care about is Zoneware reports. First of all, everybody's got the same folder there. Now I care about half-hour reports. In the case of Columbus, we have a specific folder for these CSV files. I'll try to get that set up for everybody, but I'm going to click on that. And now it's pointed right where I need it to go, and I'm going to hit save. And that is how you do it.